this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I was waiting at the bus stop and this lady gave me a flyer that there is a little fair market here, handmade fair market. So I'm just coming. It says here, welcome to the fair market. So let's go and see what's in there. Here's the entry. Okay, here we go. There's lots of crochet items here. And handmade sewn. These are all sewn by hand. They're selling for donations, I believe. Here's a flower they made. Isn't that cute? And here's the crocheted. Isn't this lovely? This is for the kitchen, I believe. And here is to, well, these are nice. You hang this, get rid of the bad evil. Can't take this because this will break in my luggage. Here is a crocheted flower. Looks like they just done over a straw. That's what it looks like. Bunlar sabun mu?
Evet.
Ne kadar?
Sabun.
These are handmade soaps. I believe olive soap.
Hava abla, sabunlar ne kadar diye soruyor.
Okay, here are some more. This is cross stitches that they made. And here are towels that they cross stitch. Here are the turbans that Muslim ladies put on their hair to cover. Okay, as taping. Here are towels. Look at these. Oh my goodness. They did crochet, they did embroidery, cross stitch. Here are some sachets. These are nice. I still have the flu. Okay, aren't these nice? These are towels. Here's a nice basket. Oh my goodness, this is bead? Yeah. It's been sewn. Very interesting. These are all towels. Towels that has been embroidered on a sewing machine. This is nice, rose. And then they did crochet. Isn't this lovely? If you hold it like this is how it looked like. This is the bed skirt, and this is the pillowcase. I love the color. These are all handmade, and this is hand painted. I used to do these. Took a course. Don't know why they hold it like this. Nice. Here's a green one. It's been all hand sewn. This is a pillowcase. And this is the bedspread that you put on the edges and 2 pillowcases. That's nice. Gorgeous. Just wanted to share this. I was waiting at the bus stop and the lady gave me a flyer. So I said, why not? And I wanted to share with you guys. These are all handmade, hand sewn on a sewing machine. Lovely. And this is for Muslims. They pray 5 times a day. And this is what they pray on. It's called a sejjade. It's one of the piece. It's handmade, hand sewn with a cross stitch. Okay, I got the permission, so I can tape it. They said. These are all sejjade. Yeah. Nice, pretty stuff. And this is called a tesbih. These individual have their own scent in it. I believe this is the rose flower scent. I can't spell because of my flu. Here is a hand-painted jewelry chest. Isn't this nice? Look at it. Here's another chest. Oh, this is big. They make flowers. And then you fill it with stuff, with things you need. Okay, so this is just a little short video that I had no plan at all, and I'm taping while I just wanted to share it with you guys. So who knows what else I'm gonna see today. Thank you for watching. Oh, this is lovely. Thank you for watching. Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness. I think I did this when I was 13. I had this crochet, cross stitch. Again, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Have a great day.